Good morning everybody, and this is your Dow Jones setups for today. So two key levels that we were looking at yesterday. We did buy off the one, and that was 38,829, and then we've tagged the upper end at 38,085. Look at your oscillators at the moment, extremely overbought. Don't really want to get involved in that, and this is looking like a flag, a bear flag at the top of a bull move, which basically means our flag target is somewhere in this 38,713, and then the swing high would also be of importance, which is still the same level we looked at yesterday, which is 38,615 or 38,600. So I am not interested in jumping in long up here. I'd rather look for some sort of a pullback. But markets were really all over the place yesterday. And if you look at the 3 hour, from the Dow Jones perspective, it was sideways in the beginning of the week, and then yesterday we had a move up. Nothing really we can add here. Oscillators are also overbought here. We're still waiting for a decent pullback that is going to allow us to get into the market. So difficult when it doesn't really happen. But here you can see the 1 hour pullback onto, and it actually didn't get there. It's just, you can see there's my 1 hour fractal, and if you look very closely there, you'll see just got above it and didn't really do anything else. You'll see it clearer here on the 15 minutes. See, that was the level, 38,822, and we just missed it by a few points. So yeah, I mean, for me, the way I trade, I wouldn't have got in on that. I would have been waiting for another move down to actually come and trigger on the level. Anyway, that's be that as it may. Strong move up. We are rejecting this 38,085, but look at my oscillators, they are grouping or coming into an area where it would indicate that there's possibly another move up. So it could very well be a little squeeze up. Let's just get to the hour. And just want to head left here on the hour. But look at this level that we're at. So there's a lot of resistance here. Look here, a lot of resistance. So you could get sort of a fake house a little bit higher, something into the region of 38,133, and then turns around. If you look at this on the 3 hour, you'll see that zone becomes even more important. So I have zero interest in trying to jump in this zone. If you're going to try jump in, especially the lower time frames, the lower time frames are going to show you that there is a potential for a move, but it's just going to sucker you in, and you'll more than likely get burnt. So you can see here the moves forming, a little bit of a flag for another leg up, but any one of these tails, and in between here will be other micro levels as well, and then you'll probably find some kind of rejection here for a bigger move down. So short story for me is quite simple. Very reluctant to be looking at moves up there. Defending 3900 would be of interest to me, and also just below that at 3900 and then 38,900. Those are the two levels that I would be interested in. So you can see 38,900, how we were playing with that, but above and below it never came back to test it properly. So that would be a decent opportunity for me, and then obviously 38,800 or 38,822 would be another level, 38,700 and then 38,600. Those are the levels that I'm watching. We need to see a pullback onto one of them before I start looking at anything. So until then, it is sit on hands. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.